Going since it's been a while. I want to remind everybody. Okay, before we get started, I want to remind everybody, because it's been over a year and a half since we've been able to have a full house assembly. So just a reminder that it takes a lot of courage for students to come out here and perform in front of their peers. So we want to make sure that we always treat them with respect, as you would want to be treated if you were out here performing or presenting or doing something. So keep that in mind as we kick off our assembly. I guess let's do a little warm up. Let's get the sophomores. Quick stand up. All right, let's get a big, how are you guys today? Sophomore class, let's hear ya. The biggest class in Fruita Monument history, by the way, is the sophomore class. 515 strong. All right, sit down, sophomores. Juniors, stand up. All right, good job, junior class. Our smallest class, but loudest probably, 467 strong. Seniors, let's go, stand up. Good job, seniors. All 487 of you, and every one of you better make it to the graduation stage. All right, I'm gonna turn it over to Stuco. Let's have a great assembly.
It's just gonna be me. Okay, everybody, thank you for the quick introduction. This year we'll be introducing your fall athlete. So if I or Royce say your sport, please feel free to stand up and let's get loud for our athletes.
Yeah. Alrighty, first up we got the Fruita Monument football team.
Your Fruita Monument volleyball team.
Fruita Monument boys golf team.
Fruita Monument boys tennis team.
The best marching band in the valley.
The softball team.
Our boys soccer team.
Your cross-country team.
Alrighty, so here at Fruita Monument, class competitions is a big part of our school culture. We don't expect you guys to know that it's sitting on that side of the gym, but we do have a homecoming week class competitions, as you might have seen over there in the comments. So right now, the seniors are definitely in the lead. They got a total 1,150 points.
200 of those points go to our soccer team, who Connor Lively scored a goal.
Yeah. 200 from that class act.
150 for our Stroll White second place team.
300 for having the best class hallway.
And 300 for winning strobe light.
Yeah. Alrighty, now our juniors, second place with a good 800 points. You got that by taking the most APs.
Winning the Wildcat Kahoot. And sophomores are pulling up at the very last point.
They got 500 for winning the talent show last night. Alrighty, so now, up here projected, we have your Google Classroom codes for your graduating class. Whichever class has the highest percentage of your class in it gets an extra 500 points.
And especially for you guys that are losing, I would recommend doing it.
So get out your phones and join the classroom.
No, that's the Google Classroom. They just have the command line.
And while you guys are doing that, can we have Miss Angie come out and Mr. Bradshaw to come vote of who dressed the best?
Ironically, that's the two for the middle school.
Bradshaw!
He can't hear. It's too loud.
He saw me.
But he can't hear.
Oh yeah, I'm already in class of 2023.
Okay, we now have a winner for the best dress, and this will get 500 points added to your class score.
The seniors!
And in second place, we have the juniors!
And coming in last place, we got the sophomores. Alrighty, next up, we're gonna have some of our teachers come down and try and score on our Fruita Monument goalie, Luke Winder.
Can we please have Mr. Maine, Miss Troutner, Mr. McClaskey, Miss George, Miss Sexy, and Mr. Hoisington, and Mr. Ross come on down?
Do you know if this has anything to do with the class competition?
Maybe, I don't know. The assemblies usually just also run.
There's going to be a food eating competition.
There is.
Yeah.
I saw it. I've been everyone live.
Okay, so for this fun little game, each teacher, we're gonna have two go at a time. You're gonna put your head on this bat and spin around.
8, 9, 10. Oh! Let's go, Mr. Hoisington!
Let's go, Mr. Worthington!
One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Overshot by a mile, Mr. Worthington.
Let's see if Miss Sexy can get it.
Oh God. Oh, voice crack.
Yeah, that's a good one.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
I'm gonna have no scores by the end of this.
And there's a point for the teacher!
And that is how you cheat and win.
One, two,
They never
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Ross, come on.
Mr. Ross is getting a little dizzy. Oh!
Are you going to post that on YouTube or something?
Maybe.
Maybe.
So my friends on
Now it's time for Mr. Maine. He gets some
1,
back.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Mr. Maine.
Okay, now time for our last.
Wrap it up with Miss Troutner.
Let's go, Miss Trevor!
You know, this sexy didn't actually cheat. They didn't ever say. Yeah, they never said that you couldn't.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Oh, let's get her up for 10.
Oh!
Let's give a big round of applause! Let's give an extra big round of applause for Luke, who played one hand.
Yeah!
Why is there a lot of that tree over there?
Alrighty, now we're gonna have our FMHS bibs come on down to help us with some cheers.
That's new.
All right, so in our school, competitions are a big thing. Now, we always do a lot of cheers at football games and all of our sports events. So we're gonna practice, and let's see who can be the loudest.
Alright, juniors! Sophomores!
It sounds like we're at a concert.
Okay, now we're gonna do our school cheer. Everybody knows the FFFRU cheer, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna start off with
No,
the
I don't know
sophomores.
it. I don't know it.
You're right.
That's right.
Boo!
Everybody stand up, stand up, stand up.
Why are you moving us all?
Sorry, what?
My friends will
FFFRU! So if we could get our foreign language department to come on down here and judge which class is the loudest.
Bad. They're asking.
I think we all can get louder. Let's stand up again and try again.
Oh, there goes.
Okay, everyone ready? Let's go, sophomores. F, F, F.
FRU.
That was better. All right, juniors, your turn. All right, seniors, I know we can do better. Let's go.
FRU.
Yeah, we're with.
We have 100.
Already looks like they're taking some deliberation. Must have been pretty close.
Can we get a drum roll, please?
The senior class! Alrighty,